This is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can extend the random access memory you have on this device. So to begin with, you need to launch Settings, then enter the About Device category. After that, tap on the RAM section over here. At the following page, turn on the RAM expansion switch, choose for how many gigabytes you would like to increase your random access memory. You can either go with the value of 4, 6, or 8. I'll go with 8, obviously. And in order for those changes to take effect, restart the device. So now I'll wait for the system to get reloaded, and I'll, very visually show you that those additional gigabytes were successfully added. And it's also worth mentioning that obviously those are not like some hardware RAM that you're unlocking this way. Those will be the virtual random access memory, which will be allocated out of internal storage by the cost of internal storage, of course. So now let's wait. Alrighty, so seems like our device was successfully rebooted. Now if I'll go into the page that contains my device specs, I can clearly see that in addition to the default 8 gigabytes of hardware RAM, I've added another 8 of virtual one. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.